Hello everybody, today is the day that Matthew bags his car. And you guys already seen me bag my car, bring back Matthew's car, but this video will be more of a tutorial. We're gonna keep this video nice and short because installing bags is actually super simple. It's actually really simple. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. So first things first is you're gonna wanna set up your trunk, and this is completely up to you. But what we're doing right now is we have a wooden plank, a really thin one, and we're just going to place it under here and under this mat.
I didn't go to the gym, so this is my rest day. No days off, baby.
Matthew over here setting up the Tankaroo. We're going to throw it in the trunk, and while that happens, we're actually going to do the struts like I said before. But actually, for,
can you lower?
Lower. Be careful, mate. Tiny bit. Oh, and mine didn't lower. Shit, mate. Fucking two hands. Fucking.
Está bien, wey.
Minion movie.
Para tú?
Just want to gut your trunk. Really, you just want to take out this side. Actually, you probably end up taking out both these sides, these inner liners here. Take out all this bottom part. Take out your mat, which is over there. And then what we're actually going to do is look at the wiring box here, and don't be scared when you look at this. All it is in this box is just your lines, wires here, and just a bunch of extra stuff, but we'll keep that in the box. Or after unraveling everything, it looks crazy, but in the end, it's literally just 3 wires. If you guys think about it, it's literally 1, 2, and 3. All this extra stuff here with this, you know, all the little extra tabs and little covers, you are not using that at all. All we need on this side is the plug, which goes into your manifold, and this just drills into your car, and it's like a ground, so it drills into your car in the trunk on some metal for ground. And this goes into your compressor. So literally just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's the back of the car, and it's gonna go to the front of the car. Up front here, these 2 wires go to your battery. This is your controller fuse. It really wires into a fuse here. And then this is your USB for your controller. Put everything back here, route it through the front of the car, or well, through the side of the car. We're gonna come down here, take out his rear seats. Really simple, you just pull like a little tab, the seat comes up. We're gonna run it down here, and then we're gonna run it in his in the side of his car. So whatever car you have, you just want to remove your trim pieces here, because you're gonna be feeding your wires through there unless you decide to do somewhere else. But it's always safer to do it inside. So we do it to here, feed your wires through this, all this underneath, all this stuff here. We're just gonna feed them through from the back to the front, underneath the center pillar, and then we just need that black and red wire to get to the battery. That's about it. As you can see, so I kind of just literally just fed it through all here. I got kind of lucky, and it just actually snaked through, so that's pretty good. Move the fender well here, and this is what you're looking for. You're looking for this little black thing with this basically your firewall here. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna basically just cut a hole, and that'll lead into inside the car, and we're gonna feed the wires out from there, and then it's gonna go up to the battery. This is going to be the hardest part of this install. Actually, this is the only hardest part, just getting the wire to come out through here. It might be easy for you, it might be hard for you, but every time I've done it, it's been pretty hard. I cut the fattest hole on the planet. It took me a little bit. The bigger the hole, the better, trust me. You're gonna come in the inside of your car, you're gonna grab this wire here, the one with the black and red with nothing really at the ends. You're gonna crawl under your car, and Jericho's flashing a flashlight right now, but oh, I see it right there. There's the hole. See, now I'm gonna basically sneak this wire in through the hole, and that is the hardest part.
I can't see shit.
What the fuck? Fuck this shit, man. Fuck this shit. Okay, if you guys do manage to get it, it's gonna look like that. What we did is I made some chopstick contraption here. I stuck it in the hole and started wiggling around, and Jericho saw it, and he basically showed the wire. Once I saw it, I grabbed some pliers, and I just gripped it and just pulled it through, and it's through. But yeah, that is the hardest part. Next thing you know, we're going to come up here, and we're going to remove these little tabs here, just 1 and 2. So we have access to this area here. Swing this up here and grab it. In your airlift kit comes these 2 little circle like adapter, these 2 circle fucking shit. And basically they're just gonna go at the ends of these. So what we're gonna do is actually cut the we're actually gonna cut the wiring on the outside and expose the wire, and then we're gonna feed the wire through the backside, and we're gonna squish the yellow part down so it basically like squeezes the copper wire to the metal here. Basically this, you just feed it through and just squeeze the fuck out this with whatever you got. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side here. Just put the wires through and just squeeze this yellow part down. Don't forget to go into your Don't forget to go in your box and grab this and basically hook it up to your wires here. It's pretty simple. All you're gonna do is just expose the wire from this, expose the wire from this, and then you're going to do something, basically going to make your wires look like this, like a 3. And then on both the wires, you're gonna connect them like this, and you're just gonna twist them together, which is exactly what I did here, if you guys can see. Basically what I did there, and then you're just basically, and then you're just gonna, we have shrink wrap here, so we just slide the shrink wrap over all that. It's been a little bit, but we got the bags in, everything's connected, the tank is running, the wires are set. Basically everything you guys is the same, except for when we come down to this area here. This is where our fuses are located anyways. What you're gonna want to do here is look for an ignition or a cigarette lighter, anything that turns on when the car turns on. So when your car turns on, your bags turn on as well. We use the ignition. I don't know if you can see it, 7.5 ignition, and we just connected the added fuse with the fuse that was provided there, and that's basically it. And it turns on the controller. Right now we're waiting for the tank to fill up so we can air up the bags to get it down. It's like the so make sure whenever you guys install bags and you're about to bring your car down from the jacks or whatever, make sure you have air in your bags, or else your car's just gonna be on the floor stuck. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, calibrate it, and see how the car looks like aired out. Gonna be tucked in the front.
There's so many fingerprints all over my car.
Damn.
I calibrated some
Wowza. Hello my people, the video has ended, and hope you guys enjoyed it. It is pretty chaotic, but I'm kind of focusing on more just in making videos and how I want to make them, instead of making videos like, you know, informative stuff. I'm kind of just making videos stuff basically in a way how I would watch it. So, you know, pretty chaotic, entertaining all the time like that. But besides, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Don't worry, the WX will be making a comeback soon. Our time is almost over. I almost have the bike. Almost there, but after that the car is gonna be completely different. I say it a lot, but it's gonna happen. But next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.